Hi there, I'm Alina and welcome to my simple grammar course I prepared especially for you. In today's video, we're going to talk about indefinite pronouns. If you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe and you won't miss anything interesting. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to know how to use indefinite pronouns in English. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about such indefinite pronouns as all, very, each, some, any, none, no, neither, either, both, other, another, the other, the same as, most, the rest, and one. They can be singular or plural, but sometimes it depends on the context. Remember that a singular pronoun takes a singular verb. Every student has refused. Similarly, plural pronouns need plural agreement. All students have refused. All. All means total. We use it to mean the total number of things or people. All employees have this information. Each, every. These two words are very similar in meaning, but each and every are not exactly the same. We normally use each when we talk about a small group of people or things, but when we talk about a larger group of people or things, we use every. Each student in our group is a bit lazy. A small group, so we use each. Every student is a bit lazy, in general. Each member of Mary's family is a teacher. Every university has its teaching staff. Any, no matter what person or thing of a great variety. Which bus do I have to catch? Any bus, they all go to the center. Which newspaper shall I buy? Any newspaper, whatever they have in the shop. Some. Some refers to a part that is less than the whole. Some employees have this information, not all of them. We use some for positive statements and we use any for negative ones. Let me show you it using some examples. Imagine that you are out of food and you're going to do some shopping. But first, you need to make a shopping list to identify the items you need to buy. So you say, I haven't got any eggs. I need to buy some eggs. I haven't got any potatoes. I need to buy some potatoes. I haven't got any rice. I need to buy some rice. We can use any for questions as well. Have you got any wine? Yes, I think there is some in the cupboard. Have you got any news about Tom? Yes, I've got some information about him. No. We use no to emphasize the lack of something. I have no time. I have no friends. There were no shops open. None. None means not any from a great variety of people or things. I invited 5 friends, but none have come. None of my friends have traveled abroad. When we talk about two people or things, we can use such pronouns as neither, either, and both. Neither means not one and not the other of two people or things. Either means one or the other of two people or things. Both means two people or things together. Let's take a sentence. Mary and Sarah are beautiful. We can say, neither girl is ugly. Neither of them is ugly. Either girl is beautiful, either of them is beautiful. Both girls are beautiful, or both of them are beautiful. Other. Generally, other means different, additional, or extra. When it comes to an indefinite article in front, we say another. And when it comes to a definite article in front, we say the other. There are some apples. One apple is for me, another is for you. There are two apples. This apple is for me, the other is for you. I have many apples. These two apples are for me. Those or these are for you. We can say other apples or others are for you. I have some apples. These two are for me. The other apples, or we can say the others, are for you. We use as with the same to talk about identical things. I have a green jacket and you have a green jacket too. So we can say your jacket is the same color as mine. Employees equals staff. The word employees means the same as the word staff. Most, the rest, very easy. Most people are hardworking. The rest are very hardworking. One, ones. We commonly use one or its plural ones as a substitute for countable nouns only. This book is more interesting than that book. We can say this book is more interesting than that one. The new smartphones are much faster than the old smartphones. The new smartphones are much faster than the old ones. That was all for today. I hope now you have a better understanding of indefinite pronouns. Don't be afraid to use them in your own sentences. Make fun and be educated. See you next time.